Hello students. So the question that we are going to discuss today is how to find the pH of 10 to the power minus 8 molar sodium hydroxide. When you are given such a scenario where you have to calculate the pH of 10 to the power minus 8 molar sodium hydroxide, now 10 to the power minus 8 is a very dilute concentration. And whenever you are given such dilute concentration, you must keep in mind that even in a neutral solution, under normal room temperature, we have 10 to the power minus 7 molar H plus. The concentration of H plus and OH minus is 10 to the power minus 7. Now, normally we consider, we neglect these values since we are given a more concentrated solution, maybe 10 to the power minus 2 or 10 to the power minus 4. But here we have been given 10 to the power minus 8, which is very dilute. So here, definitely 10 to the power minus 8 molar, if you consider the concentration of OH minus, since it is a base, that is why we will consider the concentration of OH minus. The concentration of OH minus normally under normal conditions would have been 10 to the power minus 8 according to what we normally do. However, since this is a very diluted solution, we will also consider those 10 to the power minus 7 molar OH minus which we normally have in any neutral solution. So the total concentration of OH minus becomes 10 to the power minus 8, which comes from this OH NaOH solution, because if we dissociate this, we will get Na plus and OH minus. So this is from where 10 to the power minus 8 comes, and 10 to the power minus 7 comes from water, okay, which has a neutral pH. So the total concentration of OH minus becomes 10 to the power minus 7 if you take common. So now the total concentration of OH minus ions becomes 10 to the power minus 7 into 0.1 plus 1. So that becomes equal to 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 7. Now this comes out to be the concentration of OH minus in your solution. Now of course if you want to find POH is minus log base 10 and this concentration, right? So I'm writing it directly, minus log base 10, 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 7. Now, of course, you can calculate this log. If you calculate it separately, minus log 10 of 1.1 plus minus log 10 of 10 to the power minus 7. So, if you make the desired calculation, it will come out to be 6.9696. Now remember, this is very important to remember that you have not been asked to find the pOH of the solution. You will always be asked to find the pH of the solution. So we know that this statement is very important to be written. pOH plus pH comes out to be always equal to 14. So you have already found out the value of pOH, which is 6.96. So that means your pH that you are required to find out becomes 14 minus 6.96. which if you calculate will become 7.04. Thank you.